How to send money on Cash App without identity verification. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how you can easily send your money on Cash App without having to verify your identity. But before you do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. So Cash App is a mobile payment service that is available on the United States or the UK, and it will allow its user to transfer money from one phone to another, and it's also free to send and receive money on Cash App. You can also send stocks or Bitcoin within the Cash App, and it is a financial service platform and not a bank. So if you're looking to send money on Cash App without identity verification, then you'll just have to watch this video till the end. So it is possible to send money without identity verification, but there are some limitations. For example, you will not be able to send or receive cash more than $250 per week, and you will not be able to use Cash App card now on the app. So you will have to create an account by entering your phone number and email address. Now, once you do that, you can skip the identity verification process. In order to send a payment, first of all, you will have to enter the amount that you want to send and tap on the pay option. Now, just you have to enter your email address and phone number or even your cash tag. Then you just have to enter the payment and what the payment is for, and then tap on the pay option. Once you do that, the money will be sent. However, without the identity verification, you will only be able to send or receive less than $250 per week. So you have to note that. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you next time.